My finger hit the son of a bitch. I'm sorry, guys. Such a beautiful morning around New York City. Good morning, Channel 19. Your fast talker, slow walker, needle dancing, skip shooting, audio slinging, big badge wielding, second son of the meat, geek gun, hole in the wall, CB shot back quiet. Wait a minute, this don't sound like Channel 19 in New York City in the 5 boroughs. Hello, come in. Hurry, step right up. See the funniest show around. Cb19nyc on YouTube. Cb19nyc on YouTube. The truck of a driver's best friend when they can't get by the radio. Oh, no doubt a doubt. It's stuck up in the hotel, maybe in the John at the restaurant, and they need a radio fix. Oh, duck plugger. Or somebody just plumb dumb robbed the truck, damn it. Cb19nyc on YouTube when I just got back quiet. What he said? Let me use the preamp. No preamp. Check. So you gotta get a little bit of audio. Need a little bit of audio drive. Audio? What the hell is audio? And what does it do? Y'all mean I gotta be a trucker driver to learn about what the heck audio is? Good morning time, good morning time, good morning time around New York City. Cb19nyc on YouTube video gate is now rolling. Cb19nyc YouTube video gate is cool stroking it. The king of New York is back live. The truck driver's best friend. When you can't get by a radio, need a radio fix. All my boys around New York City, check it out. Say thank you, Richie, for the beautiful mornings we've been having since last Friday. The undefeated champ of all the chimp chumps, the king of New York City, Richie Radio, is back quiet. Cause I'm a star dog champion. I'm a star dog, baby. I ain't gonna let you down. I wonder who Miss Star Dog was. Oh yeah. Stargazer, you call the shots, and I'll take 'em. Stargazer, won't you kick with me?
Shut the fuck up.
Why, man? What you got that mic in your hand for, duck plugger? Would you wake up on the hay side this morning? You know, I already got rid of a couple of nitwits like that. What, you want to be next?
What are you blabbering about?
Oh yeah, baby. Nothing like a good cup of java in the morning, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Maxwell House, good to the last drop.
I'm blabbering about taste buds, Han. Taste buds. What taste do you desire dripping out your mouth, Han? That's all I want to know.
Nothing like Maxwell House and Junkie Free. That's what I'm talking about. They call me the big boss. The big boss with the hot sauce. Better known as the enforcer of truth and justice. The American... That's you 806. 806. I love my job.
The king of New York.
How many people actually wake up in the morning and say, I love my job. I love to clear the streets of parasites. How many people could say that?
Now getting back to that hand that wanted to know what I was rambling about.
Go ahead,
Don't get scared now. That's all I'm saying.
Why wouldn't they be scared?
I'm just trying to blend in with the other nitwits on 19. You know how that goes.
I'm just out here trying to make a living and breaking a couple balls along the way.
Just a little clean, pass the time, cool stroking fun, huh?
Roger.
You silver-tongued devil, you. Well, then allow me to welcome you to the Cb19nyc Morning Show, hosted by your Brooklyn hole-in-the-wall CB shop, the king of New York City, Richie Operator. Let's go. What he say? I shot the sheriff, but I didn't kill no deputy.
Oh yeah, nothing like a good cup of Java to get the enforcer up in the morning, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Good cup of Java. Man, is that good stuff.
Jeez, I don't know. I'm on my third or fourth cup already. Oh, good morning time around New York City. The big baddest bad boy on the bandwave is back quiet.
I don't hear none of my friends out there. Where's Mr. Crazy Eddie's Birdman? Where's my buddies out there? What's going on? What's going on a Tuesday morning, January 20th of 15? This is a beautiful morning here. 36 degrees, relative humidity about 64%, and a barometric pressure of 29.92 inches and steady. Oh, baby, that's what I'm talking about.
You know, I gotta admire a man that can read the screen of the Weather Channel.
It's actually the screen of my weather station, something you'll never own.
Imagine a dump worker who can make it rain on command.
Where's all my friends out there? It's too quiet out here. You're gonna make me turn the duck plucker off. Mike, I got some screaming fucking audio. How many people could claim that, huh? Talking about being a technician, I'm a real tech, baby. But I don't have to advertise it. Look at that. Screaming modulation with a stock mic. Look at that, look at that. And I'm back out.
Quack, quack.
Some of us claim, some of us do. It's a big difference in this world. There's doers and there's talkers. The enforcers is nothing but doing. Don't talk, just do it, baby.
Cb19nyc on YouTube for the hottest and finest video gates around New York City. New York's finest, from its finest, delivered at its finest, by its finest way.
Nice and quiet. I think I'll go get a second cup of Java here. That first one went down way too fast. Oh yeah, I'm only on first gear. The enforcer definitely needs some more Java in the tank here. So I'll be back to all my fans out there. They call me the enforcer with my 5-watt stock radio and stock mic. And I'll be back. And I just got down.
Driver, what you mean? What you talking about who's scared? What you mean? I didn't even key up. Well, swerve out the way if you're scared, duck plucker. I hate that some bitch. Bandit, you some bitch. I'm gonna get you, bandit. I'm gonna get you, bandit, you some bitch. Snowman, stop singing to the goddamn dog. Get the smoky off my back, dog. Oops, it wasn't me. Well, you know, I really want to take credit for it, but, you know, I'm just such a slutch puppet, man. I'm just a mud duck around. I'm just a big, bad, stupid scrum duck, man. That's all I am. I'm just the biggest duck, whole wall duck in the mud. I'm that screwy screwball. I'm a different kind of duck mud, come out. Come on, Jeremiah. I was trying my hardest to spit, mumble it, and drag it out. What you talking about?
How about it 127? How about that Differences Radio? How about your 127? Hello, come in.
Hello, come in, old screwball squeal with the baddest 15 watts around NYC. Hello.
How about it 127? How about that 127? Oh, Roadmaster somewhere around Brooklyn waving the hand. Hello, come in.
I know who it is. That's why I went, hello, come here. Roadmaster, you can't hear me right now? I don't understand it. They can hear me out on the LIE. They can hear me out on the Jersey Turnpike. They can hear me out on 78 by the truck stop. But Roadmaster in Brooklyn, they can't hear me. Amazing.
The crackheads will sell everything that ain't nailed down. So he might not be smoking that. He might be on some pills. Then again, I'm on some pills for my back. But I'm on some pills. Got a couple pills in this radio. Got some pills in my pocket. I be popping a lot of pills. Ain't nothing wrong with that, man. Little pill popping. I pop pills all the time. If I don't let go of this trigger, if I don't let this trigger go, I might just pop another pill. So 27, I gotta back this bad boy all the way down. All the way down. You know who it is. You know who it's got to be. Roadmaster. Roadmaster Radio.
Well, you know, Roadmaster, I waved at you, but that's the difference in Richie radio systems. They never ever pop pills, Duck Plucker, and you can key them up for hours at a time. But I'm waving the hand at you just the same, Duck Plucker. The king of New York City is now back quiet.
Fuck them four-wheelers, get over it.
And when them pills get hot, receive tends to dissipate. Oh, snap. And MOSFETs, oh please, let's not get on the duck plucking MOSFET duck plucking, because Richie said, audio, no MOSFET radios. What he say? All right, I'm on my 5th cup of coffee this morning in New York City. How we doing this morning? Such a beautiful, lovely day. Just one look at her, and all the bullshit's alright with me. Just one look at her, and I know it's gonna be. Ain't easy win.